Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix audio issues in Gather step by step. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, enter your workspace. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the bottom of the screen and click the small arrow next to the microphone icon. This will open the audio menu. First, click Select Microphone and choose the microphone you want to use in Gather. Make sure the correct microphone is selected before joining a meeting or conversation. Next, click Select Speaker and choose the speaker or headphones you want to use for audio playback. Below that, you'll see the Reduce Background Noise from Me option. Turn this feature on to help reduce unwanted background noise and make your voice clearer during conversations. Now, click Audio Video Settings at the bottom of the menu. Here, you can review your microphone and speaker settings again and make sure the correct devices are selected. If needed, you can also check your camera settings from this page. If your browser asks for microphone permission, simply click Allow so Gather can access your microphone. After confirming your settings, close the Audio and Video Settings window and return to your workspace. You can now test your microphone by unmuting it and joining a conversation with your teammates. These simple settings help ensure that your microphone and speakers work correctly, giving you a better communication experience in Gather. And that's how you can fix audio issues in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.